Nice parking spot.
Somewhere between baggage.
That's a nice parking spot.
You got it, and we do our best to model it, but you know, this isn't the format to be able to do that. But I think this is a great place to plug.
Okay, sure, turn left there. Do you have to be in my lane right now? Where are you going? Oh, the bouncy cars. I've seen them run around a couple times. Not your light. There's a cop behind me too.
With a much better exit down to turn 4.
I said it's a third time lucky. Hamilton pulls ahead of Verstappen.
Oh my
Before they get to the corner, the crowd go absolutely wild. It is third time lucky for Lewis Hamilton. He was 20th and last on the grid for the sprint.
Oh my God.
Here on lap 59 of the Grand Prix, he has gone from last.
Why? Why?
This is big for Lewis Hamilton this weekend.
Yay, someone's using the bike lane. Run into those people going the wrong way. Wrong way, scooters. Where are you going? What are you doing? Where are you going?
Some hot ash into the open trash bin. But that story requires that the firefighters went to a dump that was already on fire and then set it on fire to burn off some of the trash, which I can't emphasize enough.
Where's your bike light? Should have a light.
I've been doing the atheist experience for 60 years, and now I'm eating on holiday weekends when you can't find somebody that
Oh my.
and I would expect is that we would get some theists would call it what they believe.
Wow.
How many times are they going to get a chance to
There's a car right in front of me? Yes, let's turn left.
like
Ugh.
practice?
I don't understand how people survive.
Literally.
Messiah College. Two Christian professors at conservative religious colleges, Warren Throckmorton and Michael Coulter, rebutted Barton's claims, eventually publishing a takedown.
Drafts of stuff. Now are they going to do so thinking this could be released
Oh my
by
God.
the next administration?
Wrong way!
I have not seen that all of these people are masking and they're fucking fine. You're hearing no stories about anyone having problems with the mask anymore. And there were stories about it. I remember at the beginning, my mother-in-law.
They're supposed to obey traffic laws too.
Someone in her work personally knew two people. Eventually, Hot was in the garbage pit
No, you go. It's your right away.
And started the subterranean fire that's still burning today. Firefighters doused it pretty good that night.
Wait, the same firefighters who probably maybe started the fire. Those guys.
They were nearby. They were already started.
Lights. Turn your lights on. Ah, thank you. My sign worked. What the fuck? What the fuck? Seriously. Run, run, run!
Do I? Oh my god, is he gonna tell me my marriage is bad? Oh, I'm gonna have to tell him, like, he's gonna be
Oh my
pissed.
god. Bike lane's over there, jackass. That's the sidewalk.
I don't know. People get off to that though. They're like a shit.
Oh,
I get it for sure.
car accident.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh wow.
That must have just
That's really
happened.
impressive. Someone definitely drove off. There's only one car. See
No,
that?
there's another car. You
Oh,
probably
really?
can't see it. Yeah, there's another white car like by that pole.
This car here. You see that?
Oh my god.
Rear-ended the shit out of somebody.
Or T-boned.
Wait, that car is like tiny.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you can never see it.
Woo!
No, you can't.
Come on. Something
Actually,
Relationship to me.
Okay, I see this becoming a problem. What did you even put in there anyway?
what's that sign right next to you?
It's not. It's two cardboard toilet paper rolls taped together with a cut off
Oops.
jack wrapped around. Is that what it is?
And he spent $3,000 on the grinder battles. The rest was on his lavish lifestyle. Yeah, the rest was on the beach house, the fine dining, and all the rest of it. I mean, Jesus, it's so funny because
Traffic goes that way.
why did you choose the priest?
He is barely my assholes.
If you like the show and you're not a patron, you can thank them with a thank you card and perhaps a nice bit of oral sex. And if you'd like to join the ranks of those deserving of oral sex, be sure to stick around till the end of the show. That out of the way, tell us, Heath, what person, place, thing, concept, phenomenon, or event will we be talking about today?
What?
Today, we're going to be talking about the 1980
What are you doing?
Damascus Titan missile explosion.
No.
And Eli, you were kind enough to let Noah write an essay that you claim is your own. Are you ready to mispronounce
Oh
most
my
of the big
God.
words?
Hurtful and unfair.
No.
I am not going to dignatify that with a repose, Tom.
Great driving.
So tell us, Eli, what was the 1980 Damascus Titan missile
Fix it.
explosion?
It's the scariest thing you've never heard of, Tom. To truly understand how fucked up this story is,
Fix
you need a
it.
little background. See,
Yeah, go for it.
The story is an LGM
It's what I'm waiting on.
25C Titan II intercontinental ballistic missile loaded with a 9-megaton W-53
Not how you do it.
nuclear warhead that was located under a farm 50 miles north of Little Rock, Arkansas. Okay?
Fancy words, Eli. Nice, impressive. But how big of an explosion are we talking?
Well, this bomb had 3 times more explosive power than every weapon used in World War II combined, including the 2 nuclear bombs we dropped on
You
Japan.
can do
If it had
it.
gone off, it would have almost certainly killed everyone in the state in minutes, covered neighboring states with a
You did
plume
it
of
too
deadly
tight.
radioactive fallout
Mhm.
extending from the mid-south to the east coast, perhaps as far as Washington. Right. But the downside, we'd have to fly over higher, like a bunch higher. And that's kind of a pain in the ass. So you gotta weigh it. And I should also mention that the giant bomb was old and extremely volatile, like Arkansas's voting bill.
Like my dad.
Yeah, Yeah, I feel like this could have helped with the electoral college problem we talked about last week, though.
Great driving.
Yeah, I mean, like, how volatile are we talking?
Well, I'll tell you, Tom. See, today.
If you just start, like, thinking about...
Wrong way. Really? It must be so hard to pull over. There's a whole spot right there just for you. Good job, BMW. Just pack it in. Hope for the best. Alright. What's gonna happen when this bus comes across that car? Get the fuck out of the way! You're parked illegally! Saw that one coming a mile away.
I'm not saying that it's never happened, because I don't know, right? I don't pay enough attention to know. But it's the first time I remember hearing it. Which means it doesn't happen very frequently.
Not your light!
And so that's a good thing, in some ways. I think, you know, there's always
Turn
better
around.
ways to fucking put it. But man, we should feel shame turns into let's sell this Pope hat for a lot of money.
Looks like a perfectly fine parking spot.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I think a lot of the worst of that sort of stuff was pre-Vatican II or kind of a holdover after Vatican II. In Catholic schools, but obviously issues with authoritarian discipline and sexual abuse had continued in those institutions. When I first started the hashtag in 2019, I really had evangelical schools in mind, you know, because they call themselves Christian schools or Christian academies.
We don't limit the have. We do, however, limit it to reduce have.
Good job. Good job to you as well.
Prefer to stay someplace subpar for a working weekend, but I can honestly say that every day of my working life has been better.
Nice bus you got there.
Do you
shit and vomit at the same time at some point? I'm confused.
Well, no, I have not, but I have been a janitor, I've been a fast food worker, and I've even been a podcaster.
Oh, that's shitty job. Yeah, that's the same thing. Tom, to be honest, I was so certain that sentence was going to end with, and I've been to a fair number of scuzzy hotels in the Bay Area. I almost shredded that NDA.
He's just standing there going like, I'm pretty sure this is a concussion.
How many layers deep are we into the doodly-doo? I don't know. It feels bad no matter what.
Draw me a maze, Simon. Oh, it's bad, you guys. It's bad. So yeah, they're talking. He doesn't have a concussion.
Oil, so yeah, the George to be saying that, yeah, I don't think that's going to be lasting for too much longer.
God. Here we go. It must be so difficult to find parking. You know, quit being a dick. Or you could, like, park in a parking spot. Like the one right fucking next to you. It's not that hard.